Hey guys, what we talk about today is simple Thai street food. We're going to do a grilled banana two ways, okay, with a delicious caramel type sauce. So what we're looking for on a banana, we're actually looking for bananas that are not quite ripe, that are yellow but still a little bit of green on, so they stay quite firm when we use them to cook. So what I have to do is take off the end of the banana, peel the banana, okay? So what we've got is a quite firm banana, okay? So we'll do this with all 5. And then to make the sauce, we'll head over to the stove and make a delicious caramel sauce to serve over the top. It's quite a simple recipe really. You find most street vendors, they don't make it in difficult recipes. You know, it's straightforward, it's easy cooking. They need to get it made, get it out, earn some money. So there we go, we have 5 bananas. What we need to do is cut these into about maybe 2 centimeter thick pieces, okay? So we need to do that, and then what we're going to do, we're going to take a skewer and we're going to skewer these bananas, okay? So we want about 4 pieces on a skewer. Now you can use right to the end, but what we want to do is we want to put the skewer so the skewer doesn't go all the way through the banana. There we have our bananas ready for grilling. Because we haven't soaked the skewers overnight, we'll probably wrap the skewer stick in tin foil to stop it from burning while we do this. Okay, but if you get time at home, try and soak your skewers overnight, and then the skewers won't burn. Okay, so there's our bananas. So all we have to do now is bob them on a tray for grilling. So what we'll do, nice and easy. Okay. And then put our bananas on. There we are. It just doesn't get much easier than that. That is so simple to do, okay? So what we're going to do, I'm going to use a broiler today. Okay, typically in Thailand then what happens is that they flatten these bananas, okay? All of them. So you're going to have to take something you can and nice and gently press down. Not too much. If you go too much, you're going to squash them all over. Nice and steady. Okay? Flatten them in. Okay. Now, so what you got is you've got some flat bananas. Oh man. Amazing, amazing street food made at home. It doesn't get much better than that. You have to give it a go. And the sauce, it's to die for. Could be eaten on roti, could be eaten on anything. It is amazing. Okay, if you're get it all over my shirt, you feel. Okay, if you like the recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you next time. Okay.